The letterbox toggle is now fixed. There's no distortion when we switch between letterboxing and no letterboxing. Going over the code, this is the only code we added. It's in the resize canvas function. If we're using the camera, then we are going to do the code that is going to take the state of camera H, the high-level camera, and make VP1 reflect the state of that high-level camera. But before we call this, we need to mark the high-level camera as dirty. Otherwise, this function may or may not ignore that. I thought the dirty flag went here. It didn't. I made a note of that. Here's what we did previously. Here's what we did in this video. Here's what I think we're going to do next. And you have been on this playlist here. You can get the source code here. This has been video 120. Like and subscribe.